Good morning to all. Today our chapter is chapter number 17, that is area and circumference of a circle. Let me come to exercise, that is exercise 17. Okay. See the exercise 17. Find the circumference and the area of a circle of radius 4.2. You have to find out circumference as well as area of the circle, whose radius given 4.2 centimeter. The first write what is given. In this question it is given that radius equal to 4.2. Radius is equal to 4.2. Just to see. Radius given 4.2 centimeter. Circumference of circle formula is 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into 4.2 means 42 by 10. After simplification it is coming 26.4. Just you have to simplify. 2 into 22 by 7, 42 by 10, 7, 6 are 42. Okay, 44 into 6, 264 by 10, 26.4 centimeter. This is the circumference of circle. Now, area of circle formula is pi r square. You have to memorize area of the circle formula is pi r square, where pi equal to 22 by 7, radius 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 as is square given. After simplification it is coming, just to see, 132 into 42 means 5544 by 100, 55.44 centimeter square. This is the answer of number 1. Okay, let us go question number 2. Question number 2 is given, find the radius of a circle whose circumference given 22. Circumference given 22, you have to find out radius of the circle. Let me solve. See, in this question number 2, circumference of circle given 22 centimeter. It is given. As per the formula, circumference formula is 2 pi r equal to 22. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r equal to 22. 22. That it is coming r is equal to 22 into 7. 7 will go off and divided by 2 into 20. 22 cancel. Radius coming 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeter. Let us go question number 3. Question number 3. Find the circumference of circle whose area given 6.16 centimeter square. Area given. From the area you can get radius. After finding the radius, you have to find out circumference of circle. Just see question number 3. First of all, see what is given. In this question it is given area of circle, that is pi r square, equal to 6.16 centimeter square. Area formula is pi r square, where pi equal to 22 by 7 into r square equal to 616 by 100 as given point cover 2 number है. Next it is coming r square equal to, after simplification, 4 into 7 into 7 by 10 into 10 as given 100. Therefore r will be 2 into 7 by 10 means 14 by 10. 14 by 10. How much coming? 14 by 10 means 1.4. This is the radius. Next, you have to find the circumference circle. Circumference circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. This is the circumference of circle formula, 2 pi r. Let's put the value of 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into 1.4 means 14 by 10. After simplification, it is coming 88 by 10 means 8.8 centimeters. Question number 3 completed. Let us go question number 4. If the diameter of a semicircular protractor is 14 centimeter, find its circumference. The first it is given diameter of a semicircular protractor given 14 centimeter. You have to find out circumference. Okay, let me solve. Diameter given 14 centimeter. Just to draw one rough diagram for protractor. Radius will be 7, half of the diameter. Circumference of semicircular protractor will be, this part is pi r, total 2 pi r, this part will be pi r, half circumference, plus 2 r means the 14. Pi r, pi means 22 by 7 into 7 plus 2 r means 14. 7 cancel, 22 plus 14, 36 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the protractor or circumference of the protractor. Question number 5. Question number 5, it is given that, just to say, question number 5, what is the area of a circle, the circumference of which is equal to the circumference of a square of side 11 centimeter. Side of the square given 11 centimeter, then you will get perimeter or circumference. Side of the square given 11 centimeter, therefore circumference square, circumference perimeter. 4 into side, 4 into 11, 44 centimeter. So according to question, circumference of circle will be same, 44 centimeter. Circle formula 2 pi r is equal to 44. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r equal to 44. From here you will get r equal to 7. R equal to 7. Radius 7. Therefore, area of the circle formula is pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Square given 1 7 cancel 154 centimeter square. Question number 5 completed. Let us go question number 6. Question number 6. A path of 7 meter which runs around outside a circular park whose radius is 18 meter. Find the area of the path. The path of 7 meter which runs around outside a circular park whose radius given 18 centimeter. Find the area of the path. Let's see how to solve. For rough diagram, radius of the circular park given 18 centimeter. Surrounding the park, 7 meter width, a path runs around the circular park. Therefore, inner radius will be 18 meter. The outer radius, including path, will be 18 plus 7, that is 25 meter. Outer radius. Now, area of the path means this is area of the ring. Area of the path means here area of the ring. Means outer circle area, that is pi capital R square, minus inner circular park area, that is pi small r square. Take pi common. R square minus R square, which will be pi whole into r minus r plus r. Putting the value of r, that is capital R 25, small r 18. 25 minus 18, 25 plus 18. It is coming 7 cancel, 22 into 43. It is coming 946 meter square. Area of the path 946 meter square. Question number 7. Question number 7, it is given just to say the difference between the circumference and the radius, right? Circumference minus radius of a circle is 37. Find the area of the circle, that is pi r square. You have to find out. So first of all, according to question, circumference minus radius equal to 37. Circumference formula 2 pi r minus r. Take r common. 2 into 22 by 7 minus 1. 44 minus 7 by 7 equal to 37. Therefore, r will be how much? This will be 37 by 7. Then 37 cancel. R equal to 7. The radius of the circle coming 7 centimeter. Therefore, area of the circle formula is pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, 1 7 cancel, coming 154 centimeter square. Area of the circle. Next come to question number, I am doing question number 9. Okay. Question number 9, you see, a wire is in the form of a circle. A wire is in the form of a circle of radius 28 centimeters. Find the area of square into which it can be bent. Means area, the wire is in the form of a circle having radius 28 centimeters. You have to find the circumference of the circle. According to question, circumference circle is equal to perimeter of square, because the same wire we are making a square. Therefore, circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r, equal to perimeter of square, 4 into side. First to find circumference, then equate with perimeter circle, perimeter square. From there you have to find out area. Just see how to solve question number 9. So according to question, radius of the circle given 28 centimeters. Therefore, circumference circle formula 2 pi r. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into radius 28. 7 4 ja 28. This coming how much? 2 into 22 into 4 ja 88, that is 176 centimeters. So according to question, the same wire we are making a square. Therefore, according to question, perimeter of square will be 176, because we are making same wire to a square. The perimeter formula is 4 into side, which is equal to 176 centimeter. Therefore, side will be how much? Side is equal to 176 divided by 4. How much coming? 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 44 centimeter. Therefore, you have to find out area of the square. Area of the square is equal to side whole square. Side whole square. That is 44 ka whole square. Just multiply 44 into 41, you will get the result. It is coming 44 whole square 1936 centimeter square. Okay. What is the area of the square? Area of the square coming 936 centimeter square. Because you are making same way as from square to square, square perimeter and circumference of circle will be same. Next comes question number 10. Question number 10. The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 16.8 centimeter. Find the circumference of the circle. According to question, circumference of the circle exceeds its diameter means, so what is given in this question? Question number 10 means circumference minus diameter means 2r equal to how much coming? It is given 16.8. Circumference circle formula is what? Circumference circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r minus 2r equal to 168 by 10. Then take 2r common. Taking 2r common. Left pi means 22 by 7 minus 1 equal to 168 by 10. After that, just take LCM. This will be 2r whole into 22 minus 7. 22 minus 7 by 7 is equal to 168 by 10. Therefore, r will be how much? 168 by 10. This 2 will come down. 7 will go off. There's 7. And this 22 minus 7 coming 15 into 15. 15 divided. First of these 2 will be divided. Will come here. And 7 will be multiplied. And this 22 minus 7, 15 will be divided. Now you see, this will go by 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 84. It will go by 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6. 3 8 is 24. So how much coming? Therefore, r is equal to 28 into 7 divided by 10 into 5, that is 10 into 5, right? It will go by 2, that is 5 to 14. Means 14 7s are 98 by 25. This is the radius. And what you would find out? You would find out the circumference of the circle. The circumference circle formula is 2 pi r. Therefore, circumference formula is 2 pi r. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi means 22 by 7 into radius how much got? 98 by 25. It will go by 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 4 is 20. 14 7 is 98. Now it is coming 44 into 14 by 25. Okay. Now just calculate, you will get the result. It is coming 24.64 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of the circle? That is coming 24.64 centimeter. Up to 10 I have completed. Thank you for today's class. Next time to more.